ngasi akhoi discussion tawgadoriba asi English topic ama oiriba one word substitution haibaduni masigi ahanba set ni ngasi question tara discussion tawgani amadi sigi topic one word substitution asi competitive examination singda yamna kanaba topic ni masigi topic asi SSC gi exam khuding makta yawi one word substitution question ani at least ani di sungsoi soidana yawi masida sunatna atopa banking gi exam defense gi exam dasu one word substitution si yawi maramaduna masigi topic asi yamna maru oi discussion asi horasi ahanba question number 1 da a sentence which can be interpreted in more than one way sentence ama artha amadagi hena hanba yaba sentence asigi one word substitution asi karino haiba option A the phrase, option B the ambiguous, option C the antonym, option D the synonym. Correct answer is option B ambiguous. Muka nairake ambiguous haibadi sentence ama artha amadagi henna hanbai yaba sentence adu kari kawi ambiguous. Aduga phrase hairisina a group of words which make some sense but does not make complete sense is called phrase. Manipuri da hairagana artha khara thokpa wahai chabul ama mapung phaba artha di thoktaba aduga antonym hairisina ekoi artha opposite oiba opposite meaning word example oina hairakanda like ki antonym si karino dislike so maina artha opposite oiba word si kari kaure antonym aduga synonym hairisina ekoi artha manaba word sing. Mathang question number 2 da muk yengsi a letter which is not claimed by anybody. Kanagumba ama fauna claim tawdraba letter. Option A the open letter, option B the dead letter, option C the cover letter, option D the resignation letter. Masigi correct answer si option B dead letter. Kanagumba amatana claim tawdraba letter adu kari kawi dead letter. Duga option A gi open letter hairisi karino open letter haibasina kanagumba amada letter iraga madu public ta khanghanba example na hairakanda newspaper sing da haplaga TV sing da haplaga mingon da khanghanba letter adu kari kawi open letter. Mathangda cover letter a business letter sent with resume for applying a job. Karigumba job ama apply taunanabagi damak resume ga konana thariba letter adu kari kawi cover letter. Aduga mathangda resignation letter hairisina ai resign tawjarage thabaktagi tokjarage haina thaba letter adu kari kawi resignation letter. Question number 3 da a language which is no more spoken. Manipuri da masigi meaning asi kanagumba amna phoba ngangnadraba language sinadraba natraga ngangnadraba language. Option A da computer language, option D the dead language, option C the linguistics, option D the philology. Masigi question nasigi correct answer si dead language. Dead language hairisi kari haiba nadraba language. Aduga option da yauriba computer language hairisina computer na khangba language. Aduga linguistic hairisina study of language. Language gi maramda tamba adu kari kawi linguistic. Philology hairisina study of history of language. Language adugi history gi maramda tamba adu kari kawi philology. Question number 4 the speech delivered without preparation. Prepare tawdana piba speech ki one word substitution si karino. Option A the teleprompter speech, option B the mute, option C the extempore, option D the deaf. Masigi correct answer asi option C gi extempore. Extempore hairisi prepare tawdabida piba speech adu extempore kawi. Teleprompter speech hairisina mangda teleprompter screen thamlaga maduda yenglaga piba speech adu teleprompter speech kawi. Akhoi India gi Prime Minister Narendra Modi si opposition singna teleprompter sijinaraga speech pi haina allegation tawri. Mute hairisina akhoi wa ngangba ngamdaba adu kari kawi mute. Deaf hairisina akhoi taba ngamdaba adu kari kawi deaf. Question number 5 ta a document written by hand. Khuyek na iba document adugi one word substitution ni masida hanglibasi option A the autobiography, option B the biography, option C the manuscript, plagiarism. Correct answer is option C, manuscript. Manuscript hairisi arthasi ekoi khuyek ne iba document adu kari kawi manuscript. Autobiography. Autobiography hairisina masagi punsi wari masana ijaba adu kari kawi autobiography. Biography hairisina kanagumba amagi punsi wari. Plagiarism hairisigi spelling asi lali. G gi mathang da L oigadaw nate I oigadawni. Typing mistake ni. Plagiarism hairisigi arthana kanagumba amagi content huralaga masagi oina sijinaba adubu kari kawi plagiarism. Question number 6 the one who sells sweets and pastries. Option A the oculist, option B the polyglot, option C the bunting, option D the confectioner. Correct answer is option D, confectioner. Confectioner haibadi mithai yonba midu confectioner hairaga khangnai. Oculist. Oculist hairisina koi mit layengba midu kari kawi oculist. Mathangda polyglot. Polyglot asidasu typing mistake ama leire G gi mathangda L yaugadami POLYGLOT oigadamni. Polyglot hairisigi arthana those who know many languages. Ekoi language amadagi hena khangba misak adu kari kawi polyglot. Question number 7 the study of rocks and soils. Option A the orology, geology, paleography, anatomy. Nung amadi lehausingi maramda nainaba. Study of rocks and soils. Correct answer is geology. Geology hairisi study of rocks and soils. Orology. Orology asidasu typing mistake ama leire. Masigi spelling si OROLOGY oigidamni orology. Orology hairisigi arthana study of mountains. Koi chingi maramda nainaba adu kari kawi orology. Mathangda paleography. Paleography hairisina ekoi mamangi aibe singi maramda nainaba adu kari kawi paleography. Anatomy hairisina living beings ki parts amadi structures maramda nainaba adu kari kawi anatomy. Mathang one who loves mankind. Miyoiba nungsiba mi. One word substitution da miyoiba nungsiba mi si kari kawano haiba. Option A the philanthropist, option B the bibliophile, option C the glutton, option D the misanthrope. Correct answer is option A, philanthropist. Philanthropist hairisi kari haiba miyoiba nungsiba mi si kari kawi philanthropist. Bibliophile hairisina ekoi larik nungsiba mi. Larik nungsiba haibadi larik paba pamjaba mi singdubu kari kawi bibliophile. Aduga glutton. Glutton hairisina yam ka hena chaba midu kari kawi glutton. Those who eat excessively. Mathangda misanthrope. Misanthrope hairisina miyoiba nungsidaba midu kari kawi misanthrope. Masi philanthropist ki antonym ni. Question number 9 the murder of the king. Murder of the king gi one word substitution ji kari no haiba. Murder of the king haibadi ningthau hatpa. Option A the suicide, option B the regicide, option C the patricide, option D the usoricide. Correct answer is option B, regicide. Regicide hairisi ningthau hatpa. Ningthau hatpa si kari kawi regicide. Suicide hairisina masana masagi punsi laujaba hatjaba masana masa hatjaba adu kari kawi suicide. Patricide hairisina masagi mapa hatpa adu kari kawi patricide. One who kills his own father is called patricide. Usoricide hairisina masana masagi nupi hatpa adu kari kawi usoricide. One who kills his own wife is called usoricide. Question number 10 the one who eats human flesh. Miyoibagi sa chabasi one word substitution the kari kawi. Option A the vegetarian, option B the omnivorous, option C the cannibal, option D the insectivore. Correct answer is cannibal. Miyoibagi sa chaba mi si kari kawi cannibal. Vegetarian hairisina manamasing chaba. Omnivorous hairisina manamasing su mitsu animak chaba midu kari kawi omnivorous. Insectivore hairisina insect chaba jiba singdu kari kawi insectivore. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Rasil Education for central government job exams and other important tips, shortcut methods, knowledge, job notification updates, etc.